You were never supposed to see Cthulhu as a god. In my opinion, the most terrifying possibility is that Cthulhu is just an animal, a biological organism so ancient and so optimized that the human brain interprets it as divine. Imagine a deep ocean apex life form evolving for hundreds of millions of years under pressures impossible on Earth's surface. Gigantic cephalopods already have distributed nervous systems, adaptive camouflage, and problem-solving abilities. Now scale that into something continental. Its wings may not be wings at all, but thermal membranes used to regulate pressure and store biochemical energy in abyssal trenches. Its famous tentacles resemble the feeding structures of squids and sea stars combined, sensory organs capable of tasting electromagnetic signals directly from nervous systems. And the madness? That could be real biology too. Certain fungi, parasites, and even infrasound frequencies already alter human behavior. If a creature evolved organs emitting ultra-low frequency vibrations, pheromones, or neuroactive proteins, the human brain could collapse trying to process it. Ancient sailors wouldn't call it neurological overload. They would call it horror. But the most impossible part is not its mind. It is its energy. Every movement of a gigantic organism demands absurd kinetic energy. And kinetic energy increases brutally with mass. A whale already generates enormous force just by swimming. Something the size of Cthulhu would require bioenergetics beyond anything known on Earth. That is where mitochondria become terrifying. Mitochondria are microscopic structures inside cells that transform nutrients into usable biological energy. Humans already depend on trillions of them every second just to survive. Cthulhu would need tissues packed with hyperdense mitochondrial networks functioning almost like living reactors. Its muscles could release catastrophic force with minimal movement. A single arm displacement might generate shockwaves through water and air simultaneously. Ships may not even be attacked. They could simply be erased by pressure waves and momentum. Even its awakening would become a disaster of physics. Water displacement from an organism that massive rising from the abyss could trigger tsunami-scale destruction before anyone even saw it. And the strangest part? The sleeping state beneath the ocean also makes biological sense. Giant organisms in extreme environments often enter metabolic suppression. Some deep-sea species survive with almost no energy for years. Cthulhu may not sleep because it is mystical. It may sleep because awakening costs catastrophic amounts of energy. Reality is already close to Lovecraft. The anglerfish looks alien. Siphonophores behave like floating colonial organisms from another planet. Nature creates monsters constantly, just smaller ones. Maybe ancient civilizations did not worship Cthulhu. Maybe they encountered a species older than human civilization and misunderstood biology as godhood. Subscribe if you want to be smarter.